Our speaker this morning is a seasoned public servant whose career reflects long-standing dedication to both community service and government excellence. Before formally entering the fire service, she began her public service journey as an Sangguniang Kabataan chairperson of Barangay Maria Clara City Proper, Iloilo City, where she demonstrated early leadership, grassroots engagement, and a strong commitment to serving the community. She then later joined the Bureau of Fire Protection in 2003, where she steadily built her career through various administrative and operational roles. Over the years, she served as SDO financial staff and administrative staff assigned in several fire stations, including Sibunag Fire Station, Buena Vista Fire Station, Jordan Fire Station, and Iloilo Fire Station in Region 6, and served as station commander to several fire stations at Cagayan de Oro Fire District of this region. Currently, she is the OIC Human Resource Management Section Admin Division. She has served the government with diligence, consistency, reflecting a deep sense of responsibility and excellence in her work. Her experience rooted in both community leadership and institutional service, embodying the values of accountability and the dedication expected of a public servant. Please join me in warmly welcoming SFO4 Maria Teresa Salazar Paderanga. Ma'am.
Thank you, Priel. Mas taas pa siguro ang introduction ni April kaysa akong message. To our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Gladue, sir. To our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir. To our Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Fire Senior Superintendent Rex Liborn L. Salvania, sir. To our Regional Chief of Staff, Fire Senior Superintendent Richie E. Fabri, sir. Other key officers, non-commissioned personnel, good morning. My topic for today is about organizational structure. So, taas-taas gini siya, sir. 130-page guidelines, specifically under the Human Resource Admin Division. Under the Human Resource Admin Division, first is the Recruitment Unit, which is responsible for administering the recruitment and selection of personnel for the BFP Regional Office in accordance with the approved MSP, CSC rules, and agency standards. The second is Promotion and Personnel Placement, which is responsible for administering promotions and other personnel placement actions, ensuring compliance with the MSP, CSC rules, and BFP policies. The third is Mandatory and Special Training Unit, which is responsible for identifying training needs and administering training programs and maintaining agency competency profiles to support development and organizational effectiveness. So, human resource are the most important asset of any organization. Equipment, systems, and strategies can only be effective when they are carried out by capable, committed, and motivated personnel. For this reason, the organization must give priority to taking care of its people, ensuring their physical, mental, emotional, and professional well-being. When personnel feel supported, valued, and treated with fairness and respect, they are empowered to perform their duties effectively and with pride. This care, however, comes with responsibility. As the organization looks after the welfare of its personnel, each member is expected to give back by performing all assigned duties and dedication with dedication, discipline, loyalty, and integrity. Serving with professionalism, accountability, and excellence is how we honor the trust, support, and opportunities provided to us. Through their shared commitment, where the organization nurtures its people and personnel give their best, we build a stronger, more effective institution in the service to the public. As a uniformed personnel, Let us maintain the discipline instilled in us during our basic training and continue to uphold strong moral values within our organization. As public servants, our actions, words, and conduct reflect not only our individual character, but also the integrity of the Bureau of Fire Protection as a whole. Many people look up to us as role models in the community, and it is our responsibility to lead by example, both in and out of our uniform. By remaining disciplined, ethical, and committed to our duties, we strengthen public trust and uphold the honor of our service. Let us also continue to develop ourselves within the organization by embracing new ideas and seeking opportunities for growth through trainings and seminars. Through lifelong learning and openness to improvement, we empower ourselves to become more competent, confident, and effective public servants. Lastly, as the Bureau of Fire Protection has been recognized as the Employer of the Year, let this distinction challenge each and one of us to also strive to be the best employee that we can be. May we continue to give our utmost effort in delivering quality public service that is more responsive, compassionate, and impactful than the years before. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to our Regional Director, Sir Trajo Sir, for the continued trust and confidence to the HRMS and Admin Division, and also to our ARDA and other members of the Command Group for the guidance and unwavering support. Likewise to our Chief Admin, Attorney Carriedo, and previously to Ma'am Anito. Thank you also for the dedicated personnel assigned in HRMS and Admin Division, specifically to FO1 Ora, FO1 Nagasan, FO1 Tipanda, FO2 Gabor, and previously assigned FO3 Montano, and FO2 Katubig. Di man ta perfect, but we pull it through. To more promotion and recruitment. Kaya pa ba? Napaisa, sir. Discount next week. As we welcome the year 2026, let us move forward with hearts filled with renewed commitment, integrity, and passion for public service. Together, may we continue to uphold the values of excellence, professionalism, and dedication that define the Bureau of Fire Protection. To close, let us be guided by words of Confucius, who wisely said, "The strength of a nation derives from the integrity of the home and of those who serve it." May we create a future marked with service, integrity, and excellence for our organization and the people we serve. Thank you, and once again, good morning. Advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone.
Thank you so much, SFO4 Padiranga Ma'am, for that very fruitful message and, of course, an information to everyone. Pursuant to the Bureau of Fire Protection Region 10 Program on Awards and Incentive for Service Excellence, this medalya ng papuri is hereby conferred to SFO4 Maria Teresa S. Padiranga, OIC HRMS Admin Division, for her insightful contribution and commendable performance as a troop information and education speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on December 22, 2025 at BFP Regional Office 10. Given this 22nd day of December 2025, Office of the Regional Director BFP 10, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Romel C. Tradio, Fire Chief Superintendent BFP Regional Director.